Most people think they know big cats. Lion, tiger, leopard, jaguar. But the big cat family is much stranger than that. One can crush a turtle shell with its teeth. One can climb trees carrying prey heavier than itself. One lives in freezing mountains. One spends most of its life almost completely hidden. And one isn't even technically called a big cat by scientists. Yet it belongs in the same story. Today, we're meeting 10 of the most incredible big cats on Earth. Let's begin. The tiger is the largest cat alive today. A massive male can weigh well over 200 kilograms. But size isn't what makes it dangerous. It's the combination of power, patience, and camouflage. Those stripes aren't just beautiful. Inside a forest, they break up the tiger's outline so effectively that a huge predator can disappear only a few meters away. And unlike lions, most tigers live alone. One cat, one territory, one hunter. And when it finally decides to attack, the prey may never see it coming. The lion is the only big cat that regularly lives in large social groups. A pride can contain several adults, with females often doing most of the hunting. But here's what makes lions terrifying. They don't always need to chase you. They can surround you. Several lions can attack from different directions, while others block escape routes. And the famous mane of a male isn't just decoration. It can make him look larger and more dangerous to rivals. The king of the jungle? Not quite, but definitely one of nature's most powerful team players. Jaguar. This cat looks like a leopard until you see what it can do. The jaguar has an incredibly powerful bite for its size. It can crush through turtle shells and even bite directly through the skull of prey. Unlike most cats, jaguars also love water. They swim, they hunt around rivers, and sometimes they simply disappear into the forest after crossing water that other predators avoid. Small compared with a tiger, but built like a tank. Leopard. If stealth had a face, it would probably look like a leopard. Leopards are incredibly adaptable. They can survive in forests, grasslands, mountains, and even areas close to humans. But their most impressive trick? They climb. A leopard can drag prey into a tree to keep it away from hyenas and lions. Imagine catching something, then carrying it several meters into the air just so nobody can steal your dinner. That's not just strength. That's strategy. Snow leopard. Now imagine putting a big cat on one of the harshest landscapes on Earth. That's the snow leopard. It lives high in the mountains of Central and South Asia. Cold temperatures, thin air, steep cliffs, and almost nowhere to hide. Its huge paws work like natural snowshoes. Its long tail helps with balance, and can even wrap around its body for warmth. But spotting one is incredibly difficult. People call it the ghost of the mountains for a reason. You can be standing in its territory and never know it was watching you. Cheetah. The cheetah is different. It doesn't rely on brute strength. It relies on speed. It can accelerate incredibly quickly and reach around 100 kilometers per hour over short distances. But here's the catch. That speed comes at a price. Cheetahs are built for acceleration, not prolonged fights. They can lose their kills to stronger predators. So, the fastest land animal isn't necessarily the strongest. Sometimes being fast is simply about catching your meal before someone else does. Cougar. The cougar has one of the largest ranges of any wild land mammal in the Western Hemisphere. It can live in forests, mountains, deserts, and surprisingly close to human neighborhoods. It doesn't roar like a lion. Instead, it can make eerie screams and calls that sound almost nothing like the animal you'd expect. And despite being a powerful predator, a cougar can disappear into the landscape with incredible efficiency. You may never hear it, never see it, but it may have already seen you. Clouded leopard. This might be one of the strangest cats you've never heard of. The clouded leopard has unusually large canine teeth for its body size. Its long tail helps it balance through trees. and its flexible ankles allow it to climb down tree trunks head first. It's almost like a miniature arboreal predator, designed specifically for the forest canopy. Beautiful, quiet, and incredibly difficult to study. The forest doesn't just hide it. The forest is its home. Sunda Clouded Leopard. And then there's its island relative. The Sunda Clouded Leopard lives on islands in Southeast Asia. It was once considered the same species as the mainland clouded leopard. Scientists later discovered that it was genetically distinct, which means an animal that looked almost identical had actually been evolving separately for millions of years. A reminder that nature can hide entire species right in front of us. Eurasian Lynx. The Eurasian lynx is smaller than the giants we've already seen, but don't underestimate it. It has enormous paws, sharp claws, and distinctive black ear tufts. Those ears aren't just for looks. They may help with detecting sounds and communicating. The lynx can hunt animals much larger than itself, and its thick fur allows it to survive brutal winters. A smaller cat living in a world where every mistake matters. 10 incredible cats. 1 is the largest. 1 is the fastest. 1 can crush a turtle shell. 1 disappears into mountains. And 1 can carry its dinner into a tree. But here's the strange part. The bigger the cat, the more you might expect it to dominate. Yet survival isn't always about size. Sometimes it's stealth, sometimes speed, sometimes intelligence, and sometimes it's simply knowing when to disappear. Which big cat would you least want to encounter in the wild? Tiger? Jaguar? Leopard? Or something else? Tell me your answer in the comments. And if you want to discover more animals with abilities that sound completely impossible, there's another one waiting for you.